budding artists. Today, we're about to celebrate in style with a delicious birthday cake drawing. Are you ready to add some sweetness to our canvas? Let's get started on this festive journey together. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Get your markers ready because we're about to sketch and draw a mouth-watering birthday cake that will make everyone's special day even sweeter. Let's begin with our first layer of cake.
Yay!
Picture a scrumptious layer of cake, and let's bring it to life on our canvas. Now, let's add another layer to our cake to make it extra delicious. And for the final touch, let's draw the top layer of our cake where all the magic happens. No birthday cake is complete without candles to make a wish. Let's add 3 candles on top of our cake, ready to be blown out with joy. Now, let's add some decorative flair to our cake with some beautiful curve lines.
La da 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 dee.
Our cake drawing is almost complete, but let's make it stand out even more by outlining it with bold, sharp lines. Now, are you ready to add a burst of color to our birthday masterpiece? Let's grab our color pens and make this cake as vibrant as a party. Yellow color.
Yay!
Orange color. Blue color. Light pink color. Dark pink color. Green color. Navy blue color. Blue color. This amazing birthday cake we've created together. I'm so proud of your creativity, my fantastic artist. Keep celebrating, keep creating, and keep spreading joy with your artwork. Until next time on Toddlers Art Hub, happy drawing and happy birthday to all our young artists celebrating out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.